Audio Jungle.
I came here, were very happy with the rule of Didi here. The way she has transformed Bengal and she is taking the state forward. It's really laudable, appreciable. I really praise her for that. Another thing for which we met today is really significant and important. People are understanding it otherwise. People feel that before 2019 elections, it is going to be a political front or something like that. Somebody says it third front, this front, that front. So it's not a front kind of. It's a front. It is going to be definitely a front, federal front for the people of India. I reiterate once again, which I told at Hyderabad. It's not mere aligning 1 to 3 political parties. It is unifying the masses of India, the people of India. We fully understand well that there is a great deal of need in this country for a qualitative change. We need to leverage our country like the East Asian tigers, like China, like so many other economic models. Of course, they are also an emerging economy. But there is a greater opportunity for this country having 60% plus youth force. The Silicon Valley in America is fully filled with our Indian youth. We have a lot of knowledge, resource, youth, natural resources, mineral resources. The nature and God has bestowed so much. But the routine kind of administrations by both these parties, Congress and BJP, has really not worked well for the country. There is a need, we strongly feel that there is a need for an alternative agenda, alternative development, alternative political force. Today we had a pleasant discussion. We agreed on so many counts and we are trying to bring in a real federal front for this country. This will be a like-minded group of political leaders. Today it's just a beginning. Rest of the things we will make it clear when other leaders sit together and discuss, come to a consensus, then we will try to take this issue forward. Thank you.
सर आपने पहले कहा था कि फेडरल फ्रंट होगा एक नॉन बीजेपी पहले आपने कहा था कि फेडरल फ्रंट होगा एक नॉन बीजेपी नॉन कांग्रेस एक प्लेटफॉर्म पे आप लोग सब आएंगे फेडरल फ्रंट के लिए नॉन बीजेपी नॉन कांग्रेस तृणमूल की ओर से अभी तक ये नहीं साफ हो पाया है कि वो नॉन कांग्रेस प्लेटफॉर्म होगा। क्या आज दोनों मुख्यमंत्री जब बैठ के बात किए कोई सहमति मिल पाई है कि ये नॉन कांग्रेस प्लेटफॉर्म होगा?
एक बात हम साफ करना चाहते हैं, दिस इज द बिगिनिंग ऑफ द होल थिंग. टुडे वी मेट, वी डिस्कस्ड, देयर इज सम अंडरस्टैंडिंग. यू विल कम टू नो द फुल डिटेल्स इन फ्यूचर बिकॉज वी ओनली टू कांट डिसाइड द होल थिंग. देयर आर फ्रेंड्स, देयर आर पीपल, देयर आर लाइक माइंडेड्स. वी हैव टू टॉक टू ऑल ऑफ देम. We made a good beginning today. I am confident we will be able to carry it forward. All will go well. I think this country will flourish.
Sir, when you say a federal front, a non-Congress, non-BJP front, Congress insiders are saying that Congress needs these regional parties more than regional parties need Congress. So, if Congress tomorrow comes up with the option of giving an outside support, a kind of a support to the federal front that you are aspiring to have in the country, are you okay?
You are thinking in the routine political model. I'm sorry. Our front will be the bigger front very shortly because the agenda which we are going to propose we are totally different from the present routine model. It will be the people's agenda. It's not mere Congress, BJP, KCR, Mamata. It's not like that, you know. It is for the people of the country. You will see what will happen.
When you talk about the federal front, are there concrete names in mind? I'm sure you have concrete names in mind. Can you share some of those names?
I have very sincerely, humbly put it to you that we made a very good beginning today itself. So the idea is just born. It is born in a great place called Kolkata. I am happy. You will see it. Please don't interpret otherwise. My request to all of you, you are youngsters, educated. You should also be interested in the growth of the nation. You know, for the last 71 years, what has been happening in the country. Do you want the same routine model to continue? The same thing to continue? अब क्या होता है भाई, बीजेपी पे गुस्सा आएगा तो कांग्रेस आ जाएगा तो क्या होगा, क्या चमत्कार होगा? इस देश में कुछ चमत्कार की जरूरत है. Something great needs to be done. For that, there's a good beginning in Kolkata. I hope you will all support us. You will be revolutionary. This country needs to change. This country needs to reinvent. This country needs to reorient. For that, हम लोगों ने आज बात किया, कुछ बातें हुई. आगे चल के आपको सारा पता चलेगा. No more, please. Now Didi will tell you.
Sir, I have one more question.
I think already the Chief Minister of Telangana, Shakespeare, already expressed his views, the opinion, what we have discussed today. It's a good beginning that we both the state we discussed together, and we think that politics is a continuous process, and government also, we are running the government. It's a continuous development, and whatever we have discussed about the latest development of India as a nation, because we love India as a nation. So there are some issues related to farmers and others. What can be delivered in a better manner, that also we have discussed. Now we have started the dialogue. Let the Honorable Chief Minister also, the K.S. Raoji and others also to talk each other. Automatically the एक साथ में सब आ जाएंगे. Federal front, of course we want that federal front should be strong. If the states are strong, always the center means strong. We have to work together, it's a collective family. Let us approach the other party also, let us discuss this matter. It is not, there is no hurry to do it today itself.
We are not in a hurry.
Even we are not in a hurry. Politics is for bigger manner, it takes time. Now a government is running at the center. Now it depends tomorrow, the future. Before that anybody can discuss, everybody can discuss. So this meeting is very good. We have discussed into details for the nation, for the political platform, for the details, the public oriented programs. So I think let the meeting continues. So we will talk to other parties also. So I think if nation is strong, the state is strong. This is our theory. Just a minute,
You have met quite a few opposition leaders so far. KCRG is the last one. What is your next step after this? I mean, are you planning to talk to all of them at a time, or are you planning to approach them individually, or what is the plan of action?
देखिए, राजनीति में परिस्थिति ऐसा हो जाता है जब हर आदमी को एक साथ में काम करने का मौका भी मिल जाता है. हमें तो राजनीति का ऊपर में भरोसा है. लोकतंत्रों में, राजतंत्रों में जो हम कहते हैं, जो राजतंत्र नहीं, लोकतंत्रों में सबको मिलकर काम करना सबसे ज्यादा अच्छा बात होता है. तो हमें हर पार्टी का साथ अच्छा रिलेशन है. हम रिश्ता मेंटेन करते हैं, रिश्ता मेंटेन भी करेंगे और सब एक साथ में मिलकर करेंगे देश के लिए. तो इससे ज्यादा अच्छा कुछ नहीं हो सकता है. It depends on today. Just we started the discussion. When everything will be discussed, then of course without agenda, how do you work?
To in a way dissect the statements made by BJP. BJP is saying let every opposition party come together. We are good enough to take on all an united opposition.
That you don't say. It don't look nice in a democratic setup, because nobody should feel proud for their own identity. Everybody is having the identity, and we have to respect each other. I don't think that one particular political party should rule the country and they should ask everybody should behave whatever they want like this. Every political party have their regional strength, have their national strength, they have their own identity, and everybody should respect each other. That I feel.
Ma'am, is it okay to say?
Let him first complete.
Ma'am, is it okay to say that you all are looking for a non-BJP, non-Congress front, federal front, and it's a no to Rahul Gandhi because Congress leaders are
I am not. What you are asking, don't put your words in my mouth. That whatever Mr. Rao has said, I fully agree with him. Let him speak. He has said, he has expressed his views. What is the harm?
Yeah.
Rahul also expressed his views yesterday. So that he never asked us that what will be his views. So they can say their views, we can say our views.
Mr. Rao, what about leadership of this front? What is the leadership of this front?
Which अच्छा ओके
मैम आपने ये पहले ही साफ कर दिया है कि एक नॉन बीजेपी फेडरल फ्रंट बनेगा, लेकिन अभी तक ये बात साफ नहीं हो पाई है कि वो नॉन कांग्रेस होगा कि नहीं।
मैं आपको सब बात अभी क्यों बताएंगे, बताने के लिए तो भविष्य है, आप इंतजार करिए ना।
ऐसा है, it will be a collective leadership. Don't be worried.
Okay.
Just don't be worried. See, leaders always emerge from out of the situations and sequences, isn't it? Don't make halla. I once again request all my journalist friends, please cooperate. The nation has to change. The nation has to take a big jump. So henceforth, don't make pinpricks. It will be a collective leadership. It will be a federal leadership that will work for the country. Thank you.
Sir, one last question. Sir, one last question, sir.
ఏంటండి వీడియో నచ్చిందా? అయితే ఓ లైక్ వేసుకోండి, లేదంటే ఓ కామెంట్ చేయండి. ఎప్పటికప్పుడు మా వీడియోస్ చూడాలంటే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి.